Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Last day I have already taught the puppet show. The story of puppet show is telling that if we do work together, if we cooperate to each other, so it will be great work. Here also three friends are there, that Radha, Azim and Jessie. They are in one group, and what happened? Azim had an idea. He told that they can make one puppet show. So Jessie can make the puppet, and Azim can tell the show. And after that, and that also take care of the. And he told that Jessie, you are good at the craft. And also Radha told that she is good at acting. So three made a nice puppet show in their class. So their ma'am was very happy, and they also, at that time, everybody thought if anybody does not know anything but something she or he knows, so if they can work together, they can cooperate each other, it will be their great work. In your class also, someone knows, I told also that in spare time, everybody is sharing your work. Somebody is writing, somebody is drawing, somebody is making the project. So that's why your work will be very great. And you know that how was our Inspire in the last year? So that's why it is also our great work if we are working together. Okay, so tick the correct option. The drama class was divided into groups of 3 children each, 2 children each. So here first line, 3 children each. Number 1, question number 1, that A, we should tick it. Number 2, Radha, Jessie and Azim groups presented a dance show, puppet show. So here dance show or puppet show, we can tell that here puppet show. Number 2, puppet show, B. Then after that, number 3, Radha, Jessie and Azim decided to cooperate with each other, give up trying to put up a play. Number 3, A. Number 4, the 3 children worked as a team. Each one did what they are good at, not good at. Good at. Number 4, A. And 5, Radha, Jessie and Azim were the winners because they cooperated with each other, they fought with each other. Number 5 also A. So here one value we have learned. We should, if we cooperate each other, it will be great work for everybody. So we can write what is the value or moral of the story. We can write from here. What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story. Answer is there. If we cooperate each other, all the work will be great, will be successful or great. Successful or great, whatever. That you should know. I am writing that, but you need not to write. You should learn from the story. Here, your friend and you have to make a picture chart for the class together. What would you do? Divide the work and complete the project. Fight with your friend. So number 1, obviously we can give a smiley for the number 1. Number 1, here relate. Relate where we should. Number 1, A, smiley. Number 2, you have come to play with your cousin, but she has to finish making her scrapbook. What would you do? Help her make the scrapbook. Do not help her and complain of being bored. So number A, obviously 2 also. A, we should make 1 smiley. Number 3, the children in your class are participating in a pyramid competition. What would you do? So do not participate in the competition. Enjoy the participating in the competition. Obviously, all the competition, only one person will win and another person will lose. So everybody should participate because we should enjoy the participating in the competition. Here also, number B, we should draw smiley. Then here another things they are telling, the firefighters, cricketers and footballers need to work as a team in order to get their jobs done. Think of some types of job need a group of people of work together. Write this down, colored chart paper, 3 ways in which each number helps the team. So you know that, I think most of the students, you love to see the cricket. I think the boys, they obviously, cricket, football, everything. Cricket, football and work is for the firefighting. That if they are not working as a team, so they cannot do any work. So cricket, football, any playing. Okay, so that is, or cricket, footballers, or cricketer, footballers, firefighters, 3 they are given example. You can now also give get so many examples of like this because they are working as a team. But no need to make the chart paper. You will think how many, you can make a list. Then how many people they can work as a team. Here 3 examples are given. Then remember 3 things that is very important. You can cooperate with your friends by sharing responsibilities like the monitorship. If somebody is monitoring the class, another one is shouting. It should not be done. Again next year we will do the class, and at that time, obviously you have learned these values. You should share with everybody. What? With responsibilities. Cooperation doesn't mean that you do your friend's homework. Obviously, homework you should tell, but you should not do his or her homework. Sometimes the play games and your friends like instead of games that you like. Play games instead of games that you like. Sometimes that also obviously happen. Sometimes your friends like games you don't like, but you can cooperate. You like another thing. So both can do one thing, but don't fight with each other. Okay. So this is the thing we have learned from here. Here one thing they have given. Watch the film Madagascar. Madagascar actually it is a name of an island, but it's a nice film. Many animals are there and how they are cooperating each other. Please look at the film. I think you will enjoy this. Okay. So here write the first letter of the phrases. The get word, get alone, respect others, obey rules. So what you can get? Get a new word, write it here. GROUP. Okay, group. So it is a word is like this, page number 58. The group, GROUP. That means team, TEAM. So you can make a group or team. Okay. So it is a like this. Please do like this. Okay. Have a nice day.